Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry if this looks a little bit messed up, but I'm recording from my phone. The kids decided to lose my SD card from my GoPro, so yeah, there's that. And I had some footage on there for a video, but because I can't find it, I can't post that one. But I know I haven't posted in a while, and I do apologize. I've just been super busy with my contracting job. That might be coming to an end here on the 18th of April, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, hopefully I'm gonna try to post more videos. That's just, lack of time, lack of money. But let me update you guys of what I've done so far to the Project Colorado. So I figured out why it was overheating, and pretty much what I had to do is I replaced the whole cooling system. Everything from the water pump to the thermostat to the radiator. I found out that the radiator had a crack on it. Let me see if I can find it here. Give me a second. There we go. And again, sorry guys. I mean, I know this is bad, but yeah, you can thank my kids for that. Let me switch camera views here. So, brand new radiator, brand new hoses, brand new water temperature sensor, brand new water pump. I still have to switch the clutch fan. I have that. I just got to do it. Brand new bottom hose, brand new thermostat. Pretty much the whole cooling system is brand new, and the truck does not overheat anymore. What's next? Pretty much the next thing I have to replace is the AC condenser. The AC, pretty much the AC condenser, because that's just, it sounds like there's rocks in there. I also replaced this hose that goes underneath here because there was moisture getting in, and at first I thought that was water because there was a lot of condensation in there. And I'm like, shoot, there, finally the head gasket problem popped up. But no, it was just the fact that that hose was ripped, so I had to go ahead and replace that. Besides that, I tried switching this timing sensor, but I don't know, I just could not get that to work, so I just put the old ones back on. I have to figure out those, but they're working fine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave those alone, because I was causing startup issues with that. I also put a high flow not intake, a high flow replacement for this one. It's pretty much the one I had in my Jetta. It's the one that I put in here because apparently nobody wanted a free short ram intake for their 2.5 liter. So I mean, shoot, so I'm using the air filter for this one, and that helps it out a little bit. As of right now, it's working fine. Yeah, it has 408,000 miles now, guys, but I mean, what can I say? But pretty much the next thing is replacing the AC condenser, replacing the fan, the heater fan, because that's all messed up. Replacing that thing that you guys see right there. But today I'm gonna be replacing the speakers because the speaker is completely missing and the other ones are blown. So every time I'm listening to something, it sounds like it's like something just, so it's terrible. It's terrible. But yeah, so then I'm gonna be replacing these speakers, guys. I ordered brand new ones. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, guys, all the speakers are in. All four. I hadn't realized that I never replaced the rear speakers the time I replaced the front speakers. So that's why they were blown, because they were still the original ones in the back. So this is a mess that I made. But all the speakers are in. And yes, I did do it properly. I actually used shrinking tube, heat shrink. So everything should be fine. I gotta really clean out the truck. But yeah, guys, I mean, 400,000 miles, 408,000 miles. The truck is still running okay. I still, yes, I have a lot of work to do. Let me flip the camera. Give me a second, guys. I still have a lot of work to do. But it's getting there. You know, the next step, again, like I said, is I'm gonna do the brakes next. I have the brakes. I definitely need to do the brakes. And then from there, just wait to see what happens. I'm hoping that the truck at least makes it to 450,000 miles. And then from there, I should have enough money saved up to either do one or two things. Put a down payment on another car, or put a new engine / transmission in this one, or rebuild this one. But that's pretty much where we're at, guys. I mean, I'm trying my hardest to do everything. It's just really time consuming and really expensive, as most of you guys know. It is not cheap to fix up a pretty beat up vehicle, no matter what type of car it is. It gets expensive. I've already put at least close to $1,000 into this truck, and it was a gift. From the whole cooling system that I did, to trying to figure out the whole cooling system, to the speakers. I mean, the speakers and the brakes were like $200, plus the cooling system was like another maybe $300. So that's $500. Plus, what else did I do? The maintenance, the oil change, spark plugs, air filter. I mean, I want to say maybe $700 to $800 I spent on the truck so far. Yeah, that's not like crazy ridiculous, but again, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do when the time comes, like with the engine and transmission. Things are getting a lot more expensive. And then I also have Project Silverado that already, the transmission is getting there to that point where I'm gonna have to replace it. So I'm trying to see if I can find a used one that's decent, or, because I know trying to rebuild it myself is not gonna be easy. Or spend the $1,500 to $1,600 getting a new a used one put in. But we'll see, guys. I mean, right now I have some different priorities. As long as this truck gets me to work and back for right now, we'll be okay. But we'll see what happens. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I am sorry. I'll try to post more often. Once I do the brakes, I'll post. And then, you know, maybe when I clean the trucks, I'll post, because they need a good cleaning. But as of right now, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do the speakers on the truck because they were pretty bad. The crackling, if I would go up like above volume 15, it should start to crackle. But sorry about the quality. I am gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna use my GoPro more of a dash cam now, just because I keep losing the SD card, and my kids keep like throwing it away, or I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna get a new phone here within the next couple weeks, so I can record videos. And I gotta figure out how to use the cameras on these phones, because I keep having to stop in order to flip the camera, and that's getting annoying. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you guys think I should do to the truck. When it comes to the inside, for right now, I'm okay. Yes, I need new sun visors, because these ones are completely broken. But besides that, eventually I'm gonna do the upholstery on the inside. I'm gonna change it to something else, because the roof has water damage in the back. When it was leaking, it was leaking from the third brake light, and it just got a lot of water damage. But that's later on. Right now, I need to think about what I'm gonna do when it comes to powertrain, drivetrain. Sorry. But yeah, again, like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.